Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make the lightest and fluffiest pancakes that are also plant-based. For this recipe I'm going to use buckwheat and oat flours, milled flaxseed and oat milk. You can also use any other unsweetened plant-based milk, as they all work very well to make these pancakes. And just to let you know, if you'd like to try other delicious recipes, check out my cookbook, Green Recipes for All, Mediterranean-inspired vegan and vegetarian dishes, which is available to buy at all Amazon marketplaces. To know more about the book, follow the links here on this video or across the channel. And so, back to today's recipe. We're going to start by putting the butter in a small saucepan. Let it melt over a low heat, and when almost completely melted, stir in the plant milk. Turn off the heat and then add the vanilla extract and flaxseed. Whisk everything well and set aside. In a large bowl, sift together the buckwheat and oat flours, baking powder and a pinch of salt. You will notice that a few larger pieces of oat flakes will be caught by the sifter. Just add this to the bowl as well. Finally, add the sugar and mix everything with a whisk. Make a well in the center of the bowl and pour the milk mixture. Whisk everything well until you have a thick, smooth batter. Now, heat a small non-stick frying pan over medium-high heat. Spray a few pumps of vegetable oil and ladle the butter into the pan, tilting it slightly until the butter is evenly spread out to form a circle. Adjust the heat to medium-low and cook for 2 to 3 minutes until bubbles start to form on top of the butter. Flip the pancake and cook for 2 or 3 minutes more until golden on both sides. Remove from the heat and transfer into a large plate. Repeat this process, cooking the pancakes individually until you finish the batter. As you can see, these are super easy to make. Serve the pancakes while still warm with maple syrup, fresh fruit, ice cream or any other topping you enjoy. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you tried this delicious recipe and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more easy and tasty vegan and vegetarian recipes.